I first sought out help from acupuncture via a recommendation of my sister's best friend, who I've known my entire life. I've known her since I can't remember a time when I did not know this woman. And so she recommended that I see Picara. She had been going to see Picara for years. And I went because I have a series of herniations throughout my spine. And it had caused me trouble for years, pain for years in both my back and my neck. And I had, over the years, sought out and practiced several different modalities of care in order to deal with the issues that come along with those types of injuries. However, what happened over the summer was, this past summer, was that the types of the pain, the frequency of pain, the magnitude of pain, the location of the pain, it was becoming so great that the types of care that I had historically sought out simply were not doing the job anymore. And so I reached out to people that I trusted, including my sister's best friend, who strongly encouraged me to try acupuncture and specifically to go see Picara. And I am just so grateful that I did. I mean, honestly, it's just been it's been a huge sea change in my care, in the way I feel, in my ability to live since I've been seeing Picara. It's really moved the needle for me in terms of my health. And I'll just give you some specifics. I felt better the first time I had a session with her, literally the first time. I didn't feel perfect, but I felt better. The pain went down. I also had the most amazing feeling after that first session with her. I actually deeply hungered for nutritious food. I wanted not just food, I wanted to be nourished. And it was a very interesting feeling. I've never had a feeling quite like it, but I recognized it. It wasn't just food. I wanted to be nourished. What I can tell you is, since then, I've had many sessions with Picara, and I continue to go back for a very simple reason. I see the trajectory of how I feel, the frequency of pain, the magnitude of pain when I still get it. All those lines are moving in the right direction. They are just all moving in the right direction. And so I feel really optimistic about where things are going. And Picara's played a huge role in that, and I am really grateful. I had been missing work, intermittent days usually. Sometimes I would string a couple of days together. I just was having trouble moving. I would seize up physically. And so going to ground, so to speak, just taking it very easy, lying in bed or lying on a massage table, lying on the floor, whatever it was, really taking it easy would help. However, I'm not doing other things when I'm doing that, when I'm trying to recover. And so, those were one of the reasons I sought out a new modality of care, in this case, specifically acupuncture. And it's really helped. I'm not missing days of work anymore. And that's a big sea change for me. It hasn't just been acupuncture, and I did not know just how broad Picara's toolbox was. I mean, it is not just acupuncture, even though she's a great acupuncturist and I get a lot of relief from her acupuncture work on me, but she's also brought in various types of moxa. She's brought in a specific spiritual practice. She has herself several modalities of care. We've talked about herbal medicine. We've dipped our toe into that modality of care. So she has a really big toolbox, Picara, and there's a lot of different ways she can get at the various issues that are keeping me from living a pain-free life, and it's helping. She's a healer. That's how I think about Picara. She's a healer in the broadest sense and in the best sense.